Hello and welcome to my channel. Happy New Year to my sweet peoples. Today we are standing at the beginning of something powerful, something fresh, something full of hope. 2026 is not just another year on the calendar. It is your turning point, a year where small steps can completely change your life if you stay consistent and focused. Success in 2026 does not mean doing everything at once or becoming perfect overnight. It means moving step by step, day by day, even when progress feels slow. The most important decision you can make this year is to believe that you are capable of growth. Start by setting clear but simple goals. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," ask yourself, what one habit can I improve today? Maybe it is waking up a little earlier, reading for 10 minutes, learning new English words, or practicing speaking in front of a mirror. These small actions may look simple, but over time they create massive results. Remember, confidence comes from action, not from waiting. If you want English fluency in 2026, start listening more, speaking more, and making mistakes without fear. Every mistake is a lesson, and every lesson brings you closer to fluency. Do not compare your journey with others, because everyone has a different starting point. Focus on your own growth. Discipline will be more important than motivation this year, because motivation comes and goes, but discipline keeps you moving even on difficult days. There will be moments when you feel tired, distracted, or doubtful, but those moments are exactly when growth happens. Choose consistency over comfort. Choose learning over excuses. Choose progress over perfection. Surround yourself with positive content, positive people, and positive thoughts. Feed your mind with knowledge, inspiration, and practice every single day. If you fall, stand up again and continue, because success is not about never failing, it is about never quitting. 2026 can be the year you improve your skills, your mindset, your English, and your life. If you decide today to take responsibility for your future. If this message inspires you even a little, please subscribe to my channel for more motivational English lessons, stories, and listening practice. Share this video with someone who needs motivation, and remember, one step at a time, one day at a time, 2026 is your year.